probably noticed that Jess specialises in clocks.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a good exhibition model. You know, so it's a clock.
It is a clock.
Yes, you see all the balance
Yes.
tell the time with it.
So what time is now actually? How do I read it?
Right, well, one o'clock,
30 minutes, 33 minutes.
33 minutes
Oh.
and 30 seconds. It's a little fast, but
It is fast, yeah, but it's that's a nice achievement.
yes. It used to be a lot more accurate when I used to use a main synchronous motor on it, which of course is very accurate. Unfortunately, these days with health and safety,
Yes. Yeah.
decided it wasn't a good idea.
Yeah.
So I've substituted a low-speed DC motor with it. Unfortunately, its act speed is not accurately controlled. But it's not too bad, especially for demonstration purposes.
Absolutely. Yeah, wonderful toy. Thank you.
Great.